So what do you do when one of your bunny's eyes is stuck shut? I'm going to show you how we treat it here on our homestead. Hi y'all, welcome to countrysilofarm. I'm Brittany and we are going to treat nest box eye today. So you go out and you check on your bunnies, they're between the ages of 10 and 14 days, and you notice that either one eye or both eyes isn't opening like it should. This is called nest box eye. Most of the time it will remedy itself, but sometimes it can turn into much worse. So our good friend Ben has a video on how he treats nest box eye on his homestead, and we're going to link that video in the cards above. So on this bunny, his eye is having trouble opening up. So today we are going to treat it. So there are multiple different ways to treat nest box eye. Here on our homestead, we are going to treat it with chamomile tea, unsweetened chamomile tea, and coconut oil. So first we are going to take a clean washcloth, dip it in the warm chamomile tea, and then we're just going to wipe his eye. So you're just going to wipe his eye like that to help get that crusted over mucus loosened up. And then we are going to add just a little bit of coconut oil, since coconut oil is antimicrobial. So now we're just going to massage a little bit of coconut oil into his eye. And it's okay if it gets into his eye because it's just going to clear up any infection that's already there. But you're just going to massage it in really good. Once you treat your bunnies, be sure you go out and check on your bunnies every day to make sure they're still doing okay. If it seems like it's not clearing up like you want it to, go ahead and repeat the process of cleaning their eye and adding a little bit of ointment on it or coconut oil, as we do. And just repeat the process until it's cleared up. If you're looking to add meat rabbits to your homestead, be sure to check out our other videos in the cards above. Thanks for stopping by the farm. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and be sure to share the videos with your families and friends. Until next time on the farm, see y'all later. Bye!